Hello everyone, I'm Colin Canet. Today I'm back with some more fun in the workshop. You know, a few videos ago I made a jig for making patterns on door fronts. And that got lots of questions and people wanted to know more. So today I'm going to give you a whole bunch more different ideas, and that's all they are, just some ideas for things that you might be able to do to dress up your cabinet doors. Now, before I get started today, I want to show you a little trick that I've been practicing with. Now, for me, I'm going to be using my little trim router, palm router, and what I've done, I've gone ahead and made a base that's the same size as the palm router, and it's got a hole in it that's just large enough for my felt pen to go through. And the reason I'm doing this is I have made a couple of panels in the past that I didn't like, and I thought, you know what, why waste good wood? Even if it's scrap wood, I can make the same kind of thing just on a piece of paper. So I want to show you, I've made a frame that I'm going to be using on all of the panels, and it's just got a couple holes in it, and it's just a sort of a mock-up frame because this whole thing is just testing and playing around. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting my felt pen through, and I think you'll be able to see that a bit better, and I'm just pretending that this is the router, and I'm just going to take that now and follow that pattern because I want to see what this is going to look like. Now, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to show you a close-up of this. Now, that by itself looks pretty good. And all I had was a couple of squares at the bottom, and I did an arch at the top. And there's a close-up of my fake router, and it just went around and did the outline. Now this time I'm going to draw my line around here first of all, just so that in case there's an alignment issue, I can realign that. Now this time, okay, I'm going to do one more now, and this is a little bit of a complex one. It's taken me a while to figure this one out, but when I come down here, I'm going to be parking in all four corners. That just means when I use the router to do this, that's exactly where I would be. So anyway, let's give this a whirl and see if I've got this figured out, because it is a bit complex, and you'll see as we go along here. There we go. All right. I should put a border around it just to frame it a little bit. There we go. That's kind of cool. Okay, remember, these are just designs, so let's get the router out and try some of these and see what they look like. I'm not going to show you all of them. I'll just go through some of them, maybe do them pretty quickly, but I'm going to do this one on the router for sure because that looks kind of cool. Okay, let's see if I can remember this one. is. Wow, that looks cool. I like that. Now the other one that I liked was just this simple, I did do 2 lines, but I preferred 1 line, so I'm just going to do 1 line and do this one. There's another nice simple one, and you could of course do this on both sides if you want, but I just like that design. Actually, that would be probably the way you would put it with the arc at the top there if you were going to do that one. Well, that concludes my video for today. Some things work and some things don't work, but that way we all learn together. Just some ideas on things that we can do when we're making some designs on panels or doors or that sort of thing. But I'm hoping it triggered some ideas with you, because I'd love to see what kind of things you can come up with. And if you want to post those on Facebook, that would be perfect. That way we could all learn together. And I'm very intrigued to see what other people come up with. I'm Colin Cadet for WoodWorkWeb. Thanks for watching.